So we're doing another house review for you guys with our new series, Motivation Cribs. Cribs that are motivational when you see them to get your stuff right so you can get you your dream crib. So I'm here with my mom, Ruth Motivation. This is Ruth Motivation.
All right,
I gave her a new name. So we're gonna check out this nice looking crib here. And this home is not furnished, so we'll just check out the features of the house, give you guys an idea what the price looks like for a house like this in Central Ohio. All right, let's do it. This is Highland Woods Boulevard. So
you remind me of someone, but I'm not gonna mention who it is. The guy who introduces his welcome to my garage. Knowledge!
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
You're watching Will Motivation. Here is where we create, educate, and motivate. Welcome to Will Motivation. Holla.
There you are, Mother Motivation. Mother Motivation. Carpeted, move shoes. Clean or remove. Oh, yeah, we're good. Step right on the sign like that's gonna clean your feet. So this is an empty house today. So this is a non-furnished house. I'm gonna look up the price. I believe it's $400,000. This is your office. I think this is more of the size of a house for a retired person, I think, or a small family. It's not like a huge house, but let's see.
It's nice that it has a
Electric is off? Oh, there we go.
I like those.
All right, so it's a ranch with the upstairs, but I think it's a first floor master. You got your bathroom here.
So it reminds me of your.
Let's check out. We'll just come straight through. So this is a
Dining room.
This is a bedroom here.
Oh.
I like it right in the front of the house.
It reminds you of the layout of your first house out.
So I think this is a guest room, right in the front of the house.
That's a nice closet.
Got your, you know, there you go. Bath, full bath. Nice full bath. You can close this, get a little privacy from people washing their hands and stuff. I like that. They should do, that's a good idea, right?
Yeah, that is. Somebody could come in and wash their hands while you're taking your bath.
This is a second bedroom. Actually, there's a house like this in the neighborhood that I built. Study. That's a nice idea.
Nice.
Nice little study. It's a nice sized bedroom, I have to say. Oh, look at their porch. They got a side porch on that house. Look. Nice side porch. Probably work for Nationwide.
Oh, look. Yes, nice, and goes out into the backyard.
And the dramatic ranch. Wow. This is nice. Now the light doesn't come in here good though.
No.
This feng shui, this would kill the whole purchase for me. The light doesn't come in.
Me too.
And you know it's not going to come in from that side because all the trees and stuff.
And I love the scenery. You know, I love looking out on that scenery.
Yeah, I don't like how dark it is this time of day.
No, this would sort of put me to sleep.
Yeah.
It pulls my energy.
The lighting, the way the feng shui is off.
Oh, Roger, but look at this.
You like those porch? I don't like it that much.
I love it.
I don't like that.
I love this. I love it, honey.
I wouldn't probably be back here, but one day a year.
Oh, honey.
I like them open.
I live it. Oh, look, it's got a screen door.
She likes the screens. My mom is a screen snob.
I love it.
Like I'm a throttle snob. She's a screen snob.
I love it. Do you know I still go out on my porch every morning and sing my prayers?
Which porch? Oh wait, there's another room back here. Oh, in the front of the house. So this is the master, I assume. Wow, this is a big room.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's in the back of the house. I don't know if I don't like that. I want to be somewhere kind of close to the front. So far, this is a no buy for me. Oh, now that shower. That shower is no joke. They said, let's do something in this house. They said, let's do something in here to make up for it. Now that towel is whack. And the grout they used for that towel.
You don't have to worry about the dirt showing so much.
I'm not feeling it though. I would have did some different.
All right.
They had so much space in here, they could have made it dramatic with different toweling.
Okay, all you children, come here.
Wash, hose down all the children.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody get in, ready.
Right.
So everybody have their, you suds up, then you pass that bar down to the next.
Now these closets are okay.
These closets are.
I mean, especially coming from my,
These closets are what's special about it.
You know the woman's gonna want to take this big one.
Of
Now
course.
this new series that I'm doing on the channel, this is how I'm gonna get more women viewers because we're gonna start doing house reviews with mom.
All right.
House reviews with mom. Say something spectacular for them.
This is the female closet.
No, come on, spectacular. Do a jumping jacker.
Spectacular.
You gotta do something sensational for the for YouTube.
This is great. Now this closet is what I'm looking at.
Okay.
Looking at in a $400,000, really.
I mean, but
more than that.
to me, this is for Ohio. This house is a $250,000 house to me.
I'm with you.
I'm 250 is where I'm at with this so far. Now it does have an upstairs, so so far we've seen 3 bedrooms. Let me turn this light off. Actually, I'll do that when we get done. Now this kitchen though, this kitchen is all right. Needs a cooktop, needs a stove. They could have did a double stove though. There we go.
I would prefer the cabinets that were over in the other house.
You like the
Which
antique?
I know are more expensive than these.
Yeah, the antique cabinets. All right, so here's the grand finale.
Oh, look at here.
Pantry.
Look at this pantry.
All right, so it's got a pantry. Oh, here we go. Wow, this house is $600,000.
All right.
The Bennett. We're reviewing the Bennett. Shout out to the Bennetts. Shout out to the Bennetts. This is y'all's new house.
All right.
But we're doing home reviews now. So let me tell you about this house. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 3,200 square feet, 15-year transferable structural warranty, and certified, all that good stuff. And it says 0-car garage. I know that's got to be wrong. It's got a 3-car side load garage, and it's $600,000. Now to me, this is 250, 300 max for Columbus, Ohio, but they're saying they want 600. It's not a $600,000 house. That's why it's not sold. They're trying to maximize what they can get because the market is hot. Your pantry.
Well, they still, it's amazing what you accumulate in the kitchen.
That's a nice. And here's your side load garage. Now, the guys out there, they might like this 3-car garage with a Lambo outside with an Echo.
Nice.
All right.
Now here. Now
That's a nice washer and dryer hookup.
A washroom that has basically everything you need. You have
Nice
a folding
countertop.
space.
And you can iron on that.
Right, you have a folding space, washer and dryer, you have your cabinets, you have your soap tub, where if you got a stain on something and you need to.
How you like this flooring?
It's all right.
The wood flooring is all right. I think it's engineered too.
I mean, the texture.
It's all right. She said it's all right.
In terms of dusting it,
She said it's all right.
the cotton and stuff and dust mops can be caught in this.
All right, so let's do the grand finale. We've seen 3 bedrooms, nice sized bedrooms. on a ranch style home. They're all on the first floor. But here's the bonus room area. It should be a grand finale, but so far,
and you see, that's what
I don't think
interior
so.
decorating does. Interior decorating can sell a house for you.
This is like a hangout overflow, and it sort of could be a guest room, but you don't have a shower. Now,
Yeah, this is.
you should have put a
the,
shower up here.
Game room,
Yeah, your gamer boy room.
and it also can be the TV room.
It's your gamer boy room here.
They also have a let-down couch for overflow. As a matter of fact, the room is large enough where you could have two.
They went cheap on this though. They should have put black iron
Yeah,
spindles.
that would be nice.
That looks cheap.
And that's,
And they want 700 grand? No, 600.
that'd be hard to clean too.
I'm gonna have to give this one a nope. Not worth 6. Now that first house, I gotta see how much that first house was worth. If this one's worth 600, that first house must be worth 8, 9. Careful.
Do you want to pick up one of the flyers?
Yeah, I got all of them in my pocket.
Now, the love of crime of this house for me
Is the porch.
is that screen.
I could have told you that. My mom loves screen and porch. She's a porch snob. This is the in Parkwood neighborhood, the Bennett 2, 600 grand. If you're moving to Columbus, we just did your house review for you. And we'll check out the basement. Usually the basement on ranches is pretty big. Let's go take a peek. Now they got it set up so you can finish the basement with it open like this. Because usually people in Columbus, Ohio, and these kind of homes, they finish their basements. And so it's huge. It's huge. My God, it's huge. My God, it's crazy. My God, this is like my basement. These ranch basements are super huge.
Wow.
Now, the question is, do they have a? Nope, they don't have a
They have
water.
a skating rink
Oh
down
yeah,
here.
they do have a hookup for a bathroom right there. That's how you do it. That's how you do it.
It is amazing.
All right, so let's go check out one more. We're gonna do another review. We're hustling now. We got our new thing we do.
All right.
We do home reviews with mom.
All right.
Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.